To save an Excel document as a PDF without cutting off the rows and the columns is actually super simple. You see here, I've got a wide set of sales data. And what I want to do is in the top left-hand corner, select on File and scroll down to where it says Print. And then from here, I'm going to choose to save it as a PDF. But if we scroll to the bottom of the page here, you can see, or to the options, you can see there's scaling. So you can choose to fit all of the sheets onto one page, and this is really going to squash it in. You can choose to fit all the columns on a single page, or even all the rows on a single page. The rows, as you can see, it's still going to break it across 2 pages. And then of course you can change the orientation of that page. By default, it is set to portrait. So this is the standard way things print out. But if we select to fit all columns on the page, it will shrink it down. And then if I turn this into a landscape page as well, you get a bit more real estate there. So I'm going to select on print, and then it's going to save it as a PDF. I'm just going to save it onto my desktop, hit save, and then when I jump onto my desktop and look at that PDF, you see that all that data is on one page. You can go ahead and print it out, and it will print off into one single page.